Hello everyone, a very fine morning to all of you. Hope you all are fine in this quarantine. Students, as we have finished the explanation of chapter number 4, that is Partho the Park Keeper. So today here I came up with a new video with the word meaning and the question answer of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. See students, here you can see I have written some of the word meanings from your book only. So let me read it out for you. First, you need to give the chapter number and the chapter name, and after that you are going to write the word meaning. So I have written here word meaning in the heading. So the first word meaning that I have written is park keeper. The park keeper means here someone who takes care of the park. As you know students, that Partho was a park keeper here. He was taking care of the park and he was cleaning the park. So park keeper means someone who takes care of the park. Okay. The second one I have written is weekend. Weekend obviously means students the Saturday and Sunday. The Saturday and Sunday is the last day of the weeks. Therefore it is known as the weekend, which means the week is ending on Saturday and Sunday. That's why it is known as the weekend. Okay. The third one is litter. Litter here means students the waste materials that we generally just throw on the ground like papers, bottles or anything else. So litter meaning I have written here waste material lying on the ground. Okay. The fourth one is nodded. Nodded means students to move your head either side to side or up and down. Here nodded means to move the head up and down to say yes. Okay, as the team members of the Partho said yes when he said something, so they nodded their head by saying yes. The next word meaning I have written here is fixed. Fixed here means students to repair something. As you know that Partho and his team members, they have repaired the broken merry-go-round. So fixed here means to repair. The next and the last word meaning that I have written here is trimmed. Trimmed here students means to cut the top part. Whenever we trim something, it means that we are cutting the top part of that thing just to make it look clean. Okay students, so here we have completed the word meaning and now we are going to move to the question answers. Okay, there are two sets of question answers, two questions are there. Okay, so this is the first part of the question answer and in this three questions are given. So we are going to first do these three questions and after that in further video we'll do the next questions of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. I've given the heading, answer these, and you know students what you have to do. You need to take a fresh page. After writing the word meaning, you are going to take a fresh page and then you'll write the question and answer. Okay, so let's move to the question and answer. The first question is, why was the park closed once a year? You know students, it was given in the text also that park used to be closed once a year. So the question is asking why it closed once a year. So the answer is the park was closed once a year for cleaning. Partho and their team members, they used to clean the park once in a year. That's why the park was closed once a year for cleaning. Okay. Now let's move to the next question students. The next question asks, cross the things that Partho and his team did not do. They were doing so many things in the park. So you need to pick out the sentence that Partho and his team did not do. Okay, here are 5 sentences given here. You need to find out the things that they did not do. So the first statement is given like, picked up the litter. Yes, they were picking up the litter. They were picking it up and throwing in the dustbin. So this sentence we are not going to cross. The next one, pull out the weeds in the flower beds. Yes, this sentence also they were weeding the flower beds, which means they were removing the unwanted plants near the flower beds. So again we are not going to cross this sentence. The third one is plucked all the flowers. No, students, they were not plucking any flower. So we have put a cross in front of this sentence. Okay. Now the next sentence is cut down the trees. No, they are not cutting down the trees. In fact, they were seeding the plants. Okay, so this statement is wrong. So we have put a cross over here. Okay, and the last one is given cleaned the swing. Yes, of course, they were cleaning the swing, the seesaw, and all the benches and the swings over there in the park. They were cleaning and scrubbing it. So the sentence is also correct. So we have not crossed it. So among these 5 sentences, only 2 sentences are there in which it was showing the things that Partho and his team members did not do. Okay, students. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is, did Partho and his team put up a notice saying wet paint, and how do you know? We know, students, we have studied in the text also that Partho has suggested his team members to put a notice saying wet paint, so that people who will visit the park, they will not sit on the wet paint. The question asks, did Partho and his team put up a notice or not, and how do you know? Okay, so the answer I have written is no, they did not put up a notice saying wet paint, because before putting the notice, they all sat on the benches having wet paint on it, and their backs got covered in paint. Okay, students, what happened with them? Actually, they just forgot to put the notice that will say wet paint, and they forgot. And before putting the notice, they all sat on the benches and relaxed. They had their tea and snacks, and when they stood up, they saw their clothes from the back, it was all covered with the paint. So they forgot to put the notice. Okay, students, this is the answer which I have written. Now, students, what you have to do, you need to do all these questions in your fair copy in very neat handwriting. Further, more question answers are there in the exercise. So we are going to solve that questions in the next video. Okay. First, you will do these question answers and word meaning in your copies. So now we are going to meet in the next video, students. Take care of yourselves. Have a very nice day. Keep smiling. Stay safe at your homes. Thank you and bye-bye.